clear 25%, and your topic can be absolutely anything.
Hi guys, I'm sure most of you know that I love baking, so I'm going to talk about the most important course in any meal, which is desserts. I think if you're having especially a buffet, every buffet meal should start with a desserts, have a mid break with desserts, and it should end with desserts. And that's what's gonna talk about here. So, who all of you agree with this? Who all of you are chocolate fans? Okay, great. So as a home baker, whenever someone comes to me and asks me to bake a cake, and I present them with all these fancy options, and I say that why don't you go for a lemon cake or a strawberry cake? But they would always say that we want a chocolate cake. So get over it, guys. There are so many other desserts in the market, and you should try all of them. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to tell you something about all the other desserts that exist and clear out some kind of misconceptions that you might have about what one is and what is the other one. So who can tell me a difference between a truffle, and a trifle? Okay. So this essentially is a truffle. So it's basically a soft chocolate ball which has some rum in it and it's coated with cocoa. Whereas that is a truffle. So that's a fungus that you get mostly in France and it's actually a delicacy. And this, my guys, is a trifle. It doesn't have beef like Rachel did it in Friends. It is actually a multi-layered dessert which has jelly, custard, fruit, cream, and it's supposed to be had cold. Yeah, and yeah, so multiple layers, not necessarily in the same order. You can stack one on top of the other, just go crazy with it. You can do whatever you want with it. Now, what about a macaron and a macaroon? Can you tell me what is a macaron and what is a macaroon? Yes. So this is a French dessert made mostly with egg whites and powdered almond, and it's supposed to be really, really like airy and fluffy. Whereas that is made of desiccated coconut. It's like a biscuit. Okay. So yeah. So this is an apple pie. How many apple pie fans here? I love apple pie. I find very few people who like apple pie. I don't know why. And you can make pies with so many different kinds of fruits, and you can put so many spices in it. However, when you turn it upside down, that's also a dessert, and it's called as a tartatine. And again, in that you can put a variety of fruits. The taste changes completely from a pie because in this the fruit gets caramelized much more. Yeah, so it has a softer, richer taste as compared to a pie. Uh, Now there is a pie, but there are tarts and torts. So what is the difference between these? Yeah, so pie is usually bigger and it has a coating of dough on the top as well. But a tart is smaller and usually it doesn't have that. The crust is also thinner and a tort is that. So it's basically multi-layered dessert and not necessarily a cake, but it can be almond sponge or anything. And this is a fancier version of tort, which is like really popular right now. It's called an entremet, and so in this, the layers are of different textures. So you'll have a mousse, you'll have a custard, you'll have a jelly, you'll have something called as a broquois. So yeah, it's really yummy. So what are these? Donuts. Yeah, but how many of you know what's a sufganiyat? I'm sure no one knows about them. So Afghanians are basically a Jewish delicacy and they make it at the time of Hanukkah. And the preparation is kind of similar. So you do have a dough which has a yeast and it rises and it becomes all soft and spongy. But inside it's usually filled with a jam, jelly or a custard. Yeah, and it's dusted with sugar. And you can have like as many of these as you want. They're so light and like they're little clouds of heaven. Yeah, so anyways, and so yeah, so you have an angel food cake here and a devil food cake there. So angel food cake is basically the softest variety of a vanilla cake that you have, and there's a lot of egg white in it, and you grow a lot of air in it, which is why it becomes so spongy. And if you add chocolate to it, you get a devil's food cake, which is like the richest. So if you're having chocolate, please try and have a devil's food cake. I'm sure you'll appreciate it much more. Now, who's this guy? Yes, I love this man because of whatever he does. So he is this really really experimental chef. He has this restaurant in Melbourne called as the Fat Duck, and he has changed how you look at desserts or how you look at dishes in general completely. This is his signature dish. It's called as a meat orange. It looks like an orange. However, there is liver inside it, and it's coated with a citrusy, fruity layer. So it has a different flavor. I have never tried it. I would love to try it sometime. This is from a show that he did, and he made this huge, very, very realistic looking fish. And all these people, they got down from a cruise and they came to eat this fish, but when they dug into it, it was a dessert inside. So it was a cake with so many different layers of things happening that you don't know what is it. So that's the part of his, of what he does, that there's so much surprise in whatever he creates that you just don't know what to expect. This was an experiential thing that he created. So this is ice cream. However, he installed these cannons again, and kids could come and they could shoot whatever they wanted on the ice cream. So jelly or confetti or whatever, and then all of that they can eat. Yeah. So I need volunteers now. I have something to try.
Hey, come, volunteers.
4 volunteers.
Come quickly.
I have tried to do something really weird, so I am not guaranteeing you on the taste.
Okay, that's 4.
Done? Okay, no. So there are two different desserts, and I want you guys to try them.
Your 20 seconds are over after
Yeah, I know, now 10 seconds. So they have used all these weird ingredients. You'll have to. Okay, any guesses for the mousse-like thing that you had in the glass? Any guesses of what is there in it?
You like?
There is
Mashed potato on the
Can I taste
muffin?
it?
Sweet potato?
The mashed potato on the muffin.
Yeah. That white chocolate.
White chocolate.
White chocolate. Wow.
The topping.
yes, that is there.
And lemon on muffin?
Anyone wants?
Some lemon zest. Orange zest.
In what?
In this. The muffin.
In the
Is
muffin?
that,
Yes. No.
Tender coconut.
Yes. Yes.
Like I said, there is vanilla.
हाँ वो तो है vanilla
That
तो
is
है
too
ही।
obvious, Shraddha.
Okay, so
What she's put it in the
the
options.
yes, that is correct. Toffee onions on the cupcake.
Okay,
that is correct.
as much as we are in this spectacle right now, questions 10 seconds and answers 10 seconds.
What is in it?
So the mousse is a tender coconut mousse which has some white chocolate in it, and around it is a carrot jam. So it has a bit of lemon in it.
Carrot jam.
Yes, carrot jam. And the cupcake, so I replaced most of the flour with a beetroot and peas puree. So the flour is much less, so it's much healthier. And on top, as she pointed out, it has caramelized toffee onions. So yeah.